Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Creative Tools School, the place you will learn all the essential creative tools to bring your idea to life. My name is Vincent. If you are new here, this channel is all about making software simple and fun to learn. Whether you are complete beginner or just want to sharpen your skills, you are in the right place. On this channel, we will teach you everything you need to know about Microsoft Word for professional documents, CapCut video tutorial and editing, Canva for stunning design, and so many more. Today we are starting with Microsoft Word. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create, format, and polish professional document from scratch. So we're going to go to Microsoft Word, then write letter, and I'm going to show you some of the things you need to know about. I have some outline in terms of what we need to cover here. So I may be looking on the sides, so just to make sure that we are covering all the things we need to do. You go to Start and select Word. So this is Microsoft Word, and this is just a blank Word. So this is Microsoft Word. And from here, I'm going to bring a letter just to show you the letter we want to look into. So if you go to Microsoft, go to Explorer, then we go to Microsoft Word Complete Tutorial. So this is an example of the letter we want to write and also show you some of the skills. In terms of this letter, Microsoft Word Complete Tutorial, Creative Tools School, letter example. So this letter is just example of letter 123 High Street, London. Also show you the date, person that wrote this letter. So we're going to go into details writing this letter. You can see from this letter, I will show you the address of the person and the address and the date. Give you an example, Mr. James Anderson, hiring manager. So this person writing this letter to the hiring manager. Dear Mr. Anderson, application for junior marketing assistant position. And writing to express my strong interest in the junior marketing assistant position advertised on your company. So this is just a good example. So who wrote this letter? Sarah Thompson wrote this letter. So we're going to create this letter afresh, and then we'll go into the whole details. So I'm going to close this, then for us to go to Microsoft Word, blank Microsoft Word. So for us to start this letter from the Microsoft Word, what you need to know, so the file is on the top left. If you select the file, if I give you option for you to create new, open, info, save as Adobe PDF, or print, share as Adobe PDF link, export or close. Then we go back. This is the home, insert. So this is home. If you select insert, you give you option for you to select cover page, blank page, page break, table, picture, shape, icon, 3D, smart art, chart, screenshot, online video media, link, bookmark, cross-reference, comment, header, footer, page number, text, box, quick part, word art, signature, line, date, object, equation, and symbols. Writing this letter, we need to go to home, okay, and from home, if you want to select the format, you can start from this letter example, letter example. You can see this letter example is in capital. If you want to change the font, then you scroll, you see font, or you select Control plus Shift. It will show you all the fonts available. You can select area. If you want to make it bold, then you select B. You see bold. Control B is bold, and the letter is bold. If you want to position this letter to the center, you select this Control E, or the letter, if you select this line, align contents with right margin. So this is center your content on the page. So this is center, and this is align left, or Control L. align your content to the left margin. If you select it, the letter will be on the left. So this center one is align the content to the center. If you want to align it to the right, then you select this line. The letter is now on the right. So we want to position this letter example to the center. So this letter example is on the center. Start at your address. For example, position your address to the right. You can write the address to the right, then write the date. Then if you want to write the address of the person you are sending the letter, then you go to the left side. If you hit enter twice to give space, then you select left. So you see the mouse here for you to start to write. Right, so 123 High Street. We are using area 12, the size of the font. You can see we are using number 12. So if we keep going up 18, the font will be bigger. If you highlight it, then select 18, you see if you keep going up, the font will be bigger. So I normally put it maybe 14 or 12, depending on how you want it. You can see it's on 14 at the moment, and we are using area. It's also showing us bold. So I'm just going to remove the bold for the time being. So what we have here is font area and also the size, font size, or Control Shift plus P. You change the font. So now the font is 14. Okay. High Street, London, SW1A slash 1AA. And the date is already there. Then you scroll down, they hit enter, the send line, Mr. James Anderson, hiring manager, Tech Solutions Limited, 456 Business Park, Manchester, M12AB. This is good example. So this address here will be Sarah's address on the right. So the person she's sending this letter, he or she is sending this letter, will be on the left. The next is you write dear, start with capital D, dear Mr. Anderson, comma. You select enter to give a gap. So if you want to give a gap between each line, you can also select enter. If you put the course on the top, then you select enter, it will give a gap. If you want to go back or complete the gap, then you select back space, it will go back to normal. Application. So if you select enter, then you start from application for junior marketing assistant position. You select enter, you start. I am writing to express my strong interest in the junior marketing position advertised on your company website with my recent qualifications in digital marketing and my passion for creative campaigns. I believe I would be an excellent addition to your team or company, full stop. So this is what we wrote now, application for junior marketing position. I'm writing to express my strong interest in junior marketing position advertised on your company website. With my recent qualifications in digital marketing and my passion for creative campaigns, I believe I will be an excellent addition to your team or company. Select enter, write my skills include, can use bullet points. So social media, if you want to put bullet point, go to this line, bullets. If you select point, then write social media management and content creation. Then select enter again. The bullet point will keep going unless you remove it. So the next is basic basic graphic design using Canva and Adobe. Select enter. Email marketing campaigns. Select enter again. Market research and data analysis. If you want to remove the bullet point, then you go back, select the bullet point, none, select back, then for you to start writing. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to hearing from you. Yours sincerely, Sarah Thompson. We have created this letter. If we want it to be just one letter, we can reduce the font. Just copy all and select the send area, reduce the size to 12. Now all of them are on the same page, single page, but you can also select double enter. If you select enter to give space. So if you want to highlight all this letter to be in bold, you select B. All the letter will be in bold and is on area and bold. Bullet points here, and if you want to start again to the left, if you select, put your mouse in the front, then you select back arrow, then you go all the way. The same thing to this, put your mouse in the front and select back arrow, the same, go all the way. So this is the letter we wrote. So this is just example. So if you want to copy this letter, you highlight all and right click the mouse to copy it. Control C. If you want to paste it, then you select Control V. You paste the letter again. Control V is to paste. Control Z is undo. So this is undo. You copy all the letter, then you select Control X, cut it. Then undo, undo. Undo is Control plus Z is undo. If you want to go forward, record. Control Y is for you to record it. So if you copy this letter, copy it, can use right click the mouse, it give you option for you to cut or copy. If you select cut, it will cut everything. If you want to paste it again, then you select Control V to paste the letter back. Shortcut, Control X is for you to cut. Control C is copy. To paste it, then you select Control V is to paste it on the second page, for example, then you select Control V. So we have this letter on the first page and also on the second page, which we copied. If you want to copy it again, you select copy, which is Control C is copy. Control C. If you highlight all the letter, you need to highlight it first, then select Control C is copied. Then on the next page, then select Control V is for you to paste it. Undo is Control Z. If you copy the letter, you select Control Z. Keep selecting Control Z. It will undo all the things that you done. Control Z. It will remove everything. You can see it. If you want to go back forward, then you select this arrow, which is Control Y. Control Y. The next thing we need to cover, text formatting, which is font. I've already shown you how to select the font. So if you want to change the font, copy, select all, then you go on the top, you will see the font. So it's currently in area size 12. If you want to change the font, maybe you select Calibre. You scroll down to look for particular one. You start from A, then go to B. So this is Calibre. And the size showing us the same size is 12. You can change it to size 11. So this is Calibre size 11. And also this letter, if you highlight it, if you want to give number, you select number. You can see the number by the side. You select this number. If you want to remove the number, then you select all of it. Then go back to the number and select none. If you want to put different type of number character, if you select this number again. You can select the type or this type or Roman figure or ABC. It's showing us ABC. If you want to remove it, then it's highlight all, then go back to the number and remove it, select none. Go back, select Ctrl Z for you to go back to how the letter was previously. We covered how to select font, make it bold, highlight all. You need to highlight all the letter, or if you want to make any specific area bold, then you select bold. It will change. Or if you want to put all of them to lower instead of bold, the letter is no longer in bold. If you want to put particular area, or let's say this letter in bold, you select it, then select bold, and it will highlight only the letter is showing us bold. So you can select any particular area of the letter to make it bold. Let's say if you want to make this area bold, you select it, highlight all of them, then select bold. So if you look on the letter, you see the letter is showing us bold, and also yours sincerely, Sarah Thompson, is also showing us bold. If you want to select italic, you can select Ctrl plus L, highlight all the letter. If you want to put it in italic, Ctrl plus I, Ctrl plus I. If you look on the letter, it will show you that is in italic. Italicize your text. If you want to remove it, then you need to copy all and select italic again to remove it. Then if you want to underline this letter, select it, then you go to underline. Underline is Ctrl plus U, is underline. You can see the letter is now underlined. If you want to remove it, then you select all and select underline again to remove it. So you can see the underline is gone off, but the letter is still in italic. If you want to remove italic, select all the letter, then select italic to remove the letter. And if you look on the top, you see that the letter is no longer in italic and also is no longer in underline. But some section of the letter is still, the letter is also showing us still in bold. Now another thing we want to learn, text color. To put color in this text, for instance, this letter, you go to this A, font color, select font color, select red. You can see the letter example is now changed to red. You can select this in any particular section, can put different color. You can see this area is showing us blue color. So you can put any particular color you want on the letter. Let's say we put purple on this section. If you want to strike through the letter, you copy all, and select this is strike through, AB strike. You can see the letter is now strike through. If you want to remove it, you need to go back and select strike through for you to remove it. Color is still showing. If you want to change all the color, you copy all the letter and go back and select particular color you want, like black. You can see the letter is now in black. So you can select particular color you want. You can select particular color and put the color. Then if you change your mind or want to put different color in different area, you just need to copy that area, then go back to the color and select the particular color you want. Right align. If you select this letter, if you want to right align, then you go back to right align. You select this. To right align, Control R is right align. Control J is justify. Control L is left align. Center is Control E. Control L is left. Control R is right. Control J is justify. Control J is justify. Control E is center. So now I'm going to show you line spacing. You select this for you to select line spacing. But before you do that, you need to also make sure you copy all the letter, then go to line and paragraph spacing, choose how much space appears between lines of text or between paragraph. To apply the same space to your whole document, use paragraph spacing option on the design tab. So you select, scroll down, you can see this is 1.5, 2.0, then the space will be bigger. So this is line spacing and paragraph. I usually like for this to be, this is 1.15. If you want to remove spacing, you can also highlight it, then select for you to remove spacing. And see there's no spacing. Again, highlight all, then you go back to space you want. Line spacing 1.15, line space option. You can also select line space option. Alignment, you can also select alignment from here, left, center, right, and justify. Outline level, this is spacing before or after. Line spacing, single line. Then you select OK. You can see what it looks like. If you change your mind, you can highlight it, then you go back to spacing, add spacing after, or remove spacing. Then you remove it and everything will go back to normal. This is how to put line spacing. We have done bold. This stay highlighted in bold. Copy it, then you select B. We have done bullet points. If you want to put bullet points, you highlight it, then go to, this is where bullets. You can see this place is now in bullet point. Likewise, we have bullet points here. If you want to remove it, then you need to copy that area, go back to bullet point and select none. And that area, the bullet points will go. You can select any particular type of bullet point. You can use good. You can see this is another form of bullet point. So it doesn't have to be dot. So you can also use good as a bullet point. If you want to remove it, you select all, then go back to bullet point and select no bullet point in that particular area. So we still have bullet points on my scale, include. So we have done bullet points. Now another thing I want to show you is numbering letter. If you select all, then you go to numbering. This is numbering the letter on the side. But also if you want to put the number on the bottom of the page, then you need to go to footer. Select insert, then go to footer, page number. So you have footer, header, footer, and page number. Then select page number. Then you select, it will show you top of the page or bottom of the page or page margin. Let's say if you want to put the number on the bottom of the page, go to your right side, then you select the format, the type of the number that you want, plain number, also plain number 2, plain number 3. It will show you where each one is. So this is the number. Once you put the number, then you close the header and footer. The number will highlight. So this is the number here on the bottom of the page. So you can, this number, depending on how you want, you can have it on the center as well. You just need to go to insert, then go to page number. Will show you bottom of the page. Then you select, if you want to have the number on the center, then you select it, the number will go on the center. Then you close the header and footer. You can see the number is on the center. If you have more than 3 letters, you can highlight all, then you put the number, it will flow. The first one will be number 1, the number 2 will be second page, number 3 will be page, etc. If you want to put paragraph spacing, then you copy the letter, then right click the mouse, it will show you paragraph spacing, then you select on it. It give you option for you to select spacing before or after. Then select, let's say after, show you 6 pt. Then select OK. So this is the paragraph spacing 6pt after. Highlight all, then you select right click, update it. You can also select author. If you highlight all, then select Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, you will go back to normal. So now we're going to insert elements. So select insert picture from this device, then you go to picture, select this device, then it will take you to the laptop. If you have any picture on the laptop, for instance, then you select on it. Depending on where you save the picture, you can go to download, for instance, WhatsApp image, select insert. So this is just example of the picture. So you can just bring it very close. So this is just example of inserting picture. If you want to resize it, select on it, then go to the side to extend it for the size to be big. If you want to rotate it, you select to rotate it how you want it. Click on the image, then you select this for you to rotate it. Resize, drag corners, and hold shift. So this is just need to drag corner to resize it. Just need to drag the corner. So corner, depending on how you want it on each area of the corner for you to increase it, to resize it, to make it big or to make it short. So this is how to insert picture. Layout option, square wrapping. This is layout, margin, orientation. You can see the letter is now in landscape. If you want to put it in portrait, this is portrait. If you want to put margin, highlight all, then select margin. This is normal margin, moderate. Select on the image, then right click. It will give you the option for you to cut, copy, size and position, text wrapping, square. You can see text wrapping. If you want to go back, Ctrl Z. The text is no longer wrapped around. When you select right click, you save as picture or link. Insert caption, then you type stuff caption, then you select OK. You can see figure 1, hello. If you want to remove it, then you select Ctrl Z. If you select Ctrl Z again, it will go back to how it was. If we select the image, hit delete from the keyboard. Once you select on it, then you select delete, you will delete it. The image will be deleted. If you want it back, then you select Ctrl Z. The image will be back to normal how it was. Show you how to insert table. So you select insert. When you select insert, then you go to table, select table, then you select how many number of table grid. So want to select 3, 1, 2, 3, and also 4. So we're selecting 3 by 4. Then you scroll 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3, 1, 2, 3 by 4 table grid. We want to put header. Then you select insert, then select header. Then it will give you option for you to select blank, in, blank, 3 column, Austin, banded, face, even page, facet, odd page. So this, you can see the header, letter header. And once you put it, then you select close. And see the letter header. And if you want to remove it, then you need to go back to insert, go back to header, and select remove header. And the header will go off. If you want to put it back, then you select insert, go back to header, select the particular header. This is different one. Then once you put the header, then you select close header and footer. And the header is now highlighting here. You can also select header. It gives you option for you to edit footer or remove footer as well. Edit footer or remove footer or save section to footer gallery. If you select edit footer, then you can write anything, you can change footer if you prefer it by selecting edit footer. So in case if you want to put the number by yourself or anything, you select edit footer for you to edit the footer. And once you're done, then you select close. This table, if you want to write anything on the table, then you need to select particular column to write hello. So you need to go to the next line to write. So you need to go to the line to write anything inside it. The same, so you can write different things on each particular table. You can also extend it. You can also position it to the right or to the left. Highlight all, then select adjust. Adjust to the left or to the center or to the right, or justify according to your preference. If you want to delete, we copy all and hit delete. Then it will delete what you wrote inside. If you want to delete the table, then you need to highlight all, go to the side, you will see the plus sign, click on it, then select delete, delete table. The table is now deleted. If you want to put the table back, then you select Ctrl Z. The table is now back. So you can delete this table by selecting plus. Double click it, it will show you delete or insert table. Delete table, you can also select it from here, from the top, delete table. The table is now deleted. Another thing, how to insert shapes. So you select insert, then you go to shapes, select shapes. So there are several recently used, you can see it will show you recently used shapes. It give you all the shapes available, already made shapes. If you select particular one, you just need to draw it like this equation, plus sign. If you select on it, then you just need to draw and the shape will show. You can move it to any particular area. So most important thing, you just need to select insert, go to shape, then you select that particular shape, for instance, or flag, star, banner. If you select this, then you go and draw it. This is star banner. These are ways to insert or draw shapes. If you want to put text box, you go to insert, select insert, then you go to text box, select on it, then you select particular text box you want. Grab your reader attention with a great quote from the document or use this space to emphasize a key point. Place this box anywhere on the page, just drag it. So you can position it, you can reduce it, you can move it to any particular position. You just need to select position. You can see where the text box is, select position. You can see, so you select position, you move it to a particular area of the text. If you want to insert icons, you select insert, Select insert, then you select icons. It will show you all the icons available. You see image, icons. So any particular icon that you want to select, just use to highlight it, select insert. And you can see the icon in the letter. So this is how to insert icon. If you want to remove it, just need to highlight it and select delete. Now the icon is deleted. So select insert, select icons, then you wait for the icon to show, then you select particular icon that you want, select insert, and it will highlight on the letter. If you want to insert margins, highlight all the letter, then select insert, then go to layout, then select margins. It will show you last custom setting. This is the last custom setting. Select margins. This is normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, normal. So this is how to insert margin. This is orientation, landscape. Let's come back to portrait. Likewise, choose page size. So you can select letter or legal or A4. So you can select particular size of the page. Select size or envelope. So you can select the size, page size setup. Likewise, column or break, page break. So this is page break. Then you go back, mark the point at which one page end and the next page begin. So insert. So you can put icon, shape, picture, table, page break, cover page. You can also put cover page, blank page. So now we want to go back to the header. This is header. Then select blank header. Then we want to write Sarah Thompson on top. Sarah Thompson. So once you type it, then you close. You can see it will show you this Sarah Thompson on top. Header. The footer, we select insert, footer. Then this is footer, number and number 2. So you will put the number according to how many pages of the document you have. So this is how to put footer number and also header. Then you close it. If you want to save the file or the letter, what you need to do is you need to select file, select save as, select browse where you want to save the file, but also we want to save it as PDF. Then you scroll down from the open document text, select PDF, then select browse. Then you decide where you want to save this letter. You can save it in download section, or you can save it in the document section, documents, text, PDF. Then you select save. This letter is now saved in the PDF section. So this is how to save document. You can choose PC or OneDrive. And also, you can also give the letter name, select save as, browse this, where we have this letter name, you write the name as marketing assistant letter, marketing assistant application letter. Make sure you save it as PDF. We show you standard, publishing online or printing. Minimum size, publishing online. So select standard one, then select save. This letter is now saved on this PC. And if you want to see it, then you need to go back to File Explorer, go to Documents, then you look for Marketing Assistant letter. Double click it to open. This is the letter. Another way, if you go to File Explorer, it will show you, it will be the first on the letter. This is it here. So this is how to save document. Rename it or name the document, then save it as PDF on your computer. So if you want to do a quick save, Control S is a quick save. You select Control S. Save this file. Quick save. Then you scroll down to select Documents or wherever you want to save this as a quick save. You can save it in OneDrive, Personal, then select Save. So quick save is Control S. If you want to auto recover it, then you go back, select File, then go to Save. Letter example, you save as well. If you want to print out this letter, then you select File. If you select File, then you select Print. Then you preview it first. You can see this page is 2 pages. Then you can print any particular page. You can preview on the right, which is, you see it on the right. Then settings, printer, page, copy, orientation. So it will show you settings, page, print one side or print double-sided, collected, portrait, orientation, the size of the paper, normal margin, one page, page sheet. So you can select all this, then select, if you want to print on both sides, then you select print on both sides, then select print. And if you have printer by the side, the document will be print straight away, or the letter will print straight away. And you can see the letter is printing out. This is the letter. And because we are printing double-sided, then you insert it back to the printer, then select Continue. So the two sides or the letter is printed out. So we printed it out double-sided. To print it out, select File, then select Print. Then look on the left side, make sure you select correct printer and also select how many copies, settings, page, print on one side or print on both sides, as well orientation, make sure you select correct paper, margin, or one page, page sheet, then you select how many copies, then you select print. So this is how to print letter or document from your PC. We are coming to the end of this tutorial. I hope you help. I want to recap essential shortcuts. Control plus S is save. Control Z is undo. Control Y is redo. Control C VX. Control C VX is copy, paste, and cut. Control B /I /U is bold, italic, and underline. Control B /U /I equals to bold, italic, and underline. Control P is print. If you are typing a letter, then select Control P. It will bring out print for you to print the document. Control F is for you to find. Control F is for you to find. Then you type the name of our text or anything. Find, text, comment, picture, word, can find just about anything in the document. So anything, if you want to search for Sarah, it will highlight Sarah within the document. So you can find anything within the document. For example, we found 2 Sarahs within the document. And once you're done, just remove it. So this is how to find documents and also replace. Control H. Control H. you want to replace Sarah, so you can see what we find, Sarah. Then if you want to replace it with Jude, for example, then you select replace or replace all. So it will replace everywhere there is Sarah, it will replace it with Jude. All done. Then you go and look and you can see Sarah is now changed to Jude Thompson, and also changed to Jude Thompson on the top. So two places where there were Sarah before change to Jude Thompson. By selecting Ctrl H, you replace it, Ctrl A, save all. So Ctrl A, you save all, Ctrl A. F7 for spelling check. Shift plus F3, change test cases. So this is the end of this tutorial. Now you can create, format, insert, layout, save, print. Practice makes perfect. Thumbs up if you find this helpful. Subscribe to Creative Tool School. Comment what tutorial next. Thank you for watching.